Well, we spent some time in Eastwood. We had a good few days of nice sunshine, but since then it's just been raining and gone very cold. And this morning we're going to make a move again. We're still on the Rochdale Canal.
Yep, so we're going to move up to Todmerton, where we can access shops and services. We need a water point and bins and Elsan, and then head up to the summit, where hopefully we can find a nice mooring and get some jobs done. So, you ready, darling?
Yep.
So, away from Eastwood mooring, heading up to Lock 14. Well, we're just approaching Lock 15 and it's started to rain now, and I can see the lock is overflowing. It's Lock 15, we're not even opening any paddles yet. I've just helped that lady and gentleman in a hire boat through. Had a chat with the lady and she's not impressed at all.
Despite the fact they all work in a similar way, each lock is different, and one of the main things that you notice as you go along is that any lock could take between 10 minutes and half an hour to go through. So it really does slow your journey down.
rain has certainly filled the canals, because every time we get to a lock it's just spewing over the top. Nice little lock house. That was Log Pit Mill lock 16. We've got about a half a mile to the next lock, and then we're hoping to find a visitor mooring at the top of them, where we can hunker down and get warm.